Hello everybody, Line from the attic here. Just wanted to make a quick video. When I got this package in, it was already like cut up, so I pretty much just ripped it off and I'm just gonna open it up right now. Got this package, as you can see, it's a Nike box. Got it directly from Nike sneakers app, so I'm gonna check it out and see. Yeah, I'm gonna check out and see what pair it is. Jordan 1 box. It is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, size 11, the style code right here. Let's take it out of the box, see how it looks in hand. Oh yeah, this is the black toe Jordan Lows. As you can see, let me get the other pair out and we check it out in hand. Oh, and then this is the extra laces. Came in that packaging. Let's see. Put this away and pretty much, check out the pair in hand and see how they look. Pretty much, yeah. Can never go wrong with the OG colorways. Just because it's in a low doesn't mean it's gonna suck. These are from the feel of it, pretty much, yeah. I don't see any issues with quality. Looks great. You see, you had the extra laces in black, so you could always swap them if you prefer flat black laces. Just pretty much just do the swap and yeah, your standard bottom for Jordan 1s. The stitching is on point. Got the back tab. Yeah, from the feel of it, it's pretty much your standard Jordan 1 quality. Can't even complain. Just from the feel of it, I would say, even on feet, I would say putting them on, especially coming in for these summer months, you would pretty much prefer to want to have a nice solid pair of lows. And this being an OG colorway, these would look great on feet. And it would definitely be a staple in your wardrobe. These would look great with, denim jeans or shorts, or even like athletic wear like sweatpants or like joggers. Yeah, I mean, your standard Jordan 1 low end, pretty much. Right now you can cop these for a great price. These are not going for like any crazy resell or anything. So you get that look, you get that quality for a great price. Doesn't break the bank. So I personally recommend it. I think that this is a great pickup. Yeah, and I, as far as I can see, don't have too many complaints. None actually. It's just your good quality pair of sneakers and for a good price. If you can actually find these for below retail, I think right now. So yeah, definitely want to give this a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you think about the Jordan Lows OG colorways that have been coming out lately. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.